Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to discuss about moods of the verb. So what is moods of the verb and what its types? Now let's start. Verb moods are classifications that indicate the attitude of the speaker. Mood is used to refer to a verb category or form which indicates whether the verb expresses a fact, a command, a question, a condition, or a wish or possibility. The mood in English grammar does not refer to the emotion of the action or anything like that. Instead, the mood of the verbs refer to whether or not something is a fact. The intention of the speaker or writer is understood by the mood of the verbs. And there are three types of mood in English grammar, like indicated mood, imperative mood, subjunctive mood. Each of the types has a particular function. First of all, we will discuss about indicative mode. So what is indicative mode? Indicative mode tells the reader or listener something factual. Here factual means truthful, true or accurate or historical or fact-based. This mode is generally used in making a statement or asking for a statement by a question. The statement can be factual or presumed to be factual. For example, Ali was the greatest musician. Where are you going? Next we will discuss imperative mood. So, imperative mood makes a verb into command or request. It always uses the second person as the subject of the sentence, and most of the time the subject remains hidden. For example, let her take her own decisions. Here, let is the verb of the sentence, not take. Another example, make me a cup of tea please. Next we have subjunctive mode. Subjunctive mode indicates the possibility, wishes or hypothetical statement. It is almost the opposite of the indicative mode. This mode usually mixes the tenses of the verbs and does not follow the common usage of the tense. Subjunctive has some different structures from the other structures of sentences. Conditionals generally use the subjunctive mode. For example, if you change this dress, I will take you with me. If they had taken the vaccine, they would not have been affected. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.